2019, there was hardly any snow that fell on New York City, but in the final weeks of 2020, that all changed. In the days leading up to the snowstorm, the news and weather reports were promising significant accumulation, and that's exactly what the city got. Snow started falling heavily on the evening of December 16th. However, it didn't stop me from getting takeout and supporting my local restaurants. Right near me were a Chinese restaurant and a pizza spot. I went to both. The next day, I woke up to find my neighborhood of Astoria, Queens covered in snow. I was happy. This was my first true New York City snowstorm. I went to my local New York City Bagel and Coffee House to pick up a garlic bagel with applewood bacon, scrambled eggs, and American cheese. It was delicious and filled me up. After breakfast and handling some work, I boarded the subway to Midtown Manhattan. I didn't want to vlog that day, rather I wanted to fully enjoy the snow, but I did at least film a bit. I first went to Lotte Palace, which already has one of the most stunning Christmas trees in the city, but seeing it covered in fresh white snow was truly an incredible sight. Next, I went to Central Park. There were a lot of people there, all out enjoying the beautiful day. Experiencing the park covered in snow was like seeing it for the first time. Everywhere I looked was beauty. It even briefly started snowing again, but it was over before I knew it. Overall, it was a fantastic winter day, and I went to bed eagerly anticipating the next one. It is a beautiful winter, almost winter day in New York City. My plan is to explore and take as many pictures as possible. So far, I woke up somewhat early, went for a quick, very cold 5K run, showered, then did the dishes, and now I'm off to get breakfast. I'm off to Brooklyn Bagel and Coffee, hands down one of the best bagel places in Queens. Currently no locations in Brooklyn though, but we're heading there right now. All right, got my very, very good looking bagel. It's, so I got the sandwich of the week. It's an everything bagel with avocado, cheese, mushrooms, tomatoes. It looks really good. It's, yeah, it's like the perfect breakfast, and the filling breakfast for that matter. I'm having a big breakfast because I want to completely devote my day to exploring and taking photos, so I do not want to go searching for a lunch place in the middle of the day when I'm hungry. Okay, first bite. As usual, amazing. Brooklyn Bagel and Coffee, such a perfect place. All right, I'm gonna finish up my bagel and coffee, do some work, then it's off to Manhattan. Made it to Manhattan. I'm here at Central Park. It is beautiful out. Unfortunately, I was hoping for a blue sky. No blue sky, at least not yet. I was here yesterday, right after the big snowstorm, and it was awesome. There are so many people here, unfortunately, and there are so many more pictures I wanted to get, but just didn't have the time, lost light quickly. Hopefully today I can get a lot of those pictures, see a lot of the sights I didn't get to see yesterday, and just have a really spectacular day here in winter. Well, almost winter. Yes, that was a rat. That's some New York City wildlife for you. I think they're kind of cute. Really awesome blue jay spotting. Much better than the mouse. To be fair, despite the occasional rodent, the wildlife at Central Park is quite spectacular, at least for an urban city like this. There are so many different kind of birds and just creatures in general. I'd love to spend more time just looking at the wildlife here, but there are more photos to take and places to visit. Onwards. Behind me is the Gapstow Bridge here at the pond. Really beautiful, one of the most notable landmarks here in Central Park. There was a photo I want to get, but I gotta go behind the bridge. Alright, I'm behind the Gapstow Bridge right now. Now, I did get a little distracted because there were some great picture opportunities on the way here, which is part of the reason why everyone neglects this area. I think the other side of this little stream thing is probably going to be better though, but so beautiful here. Alright, this side of the Gapstow Bridge, definitely a better view. I think I got some good pictures. Also, I know of a runny nose. I know it's flowing like the Niagara Falls, but seriously, it's less than 30 degrees out here. There's no sun. It's cold out. Just checked out the Central Park ice skating rink. So beautiful, so picturesque with the snow surrounding it. Oh, yesterday it was actually closed because there's still so much snow left on it. So it was really nice to see it open. Now I gotta make my way to the Upper West Side. I really wanna go to Riverside Park, and the day is just going so fast, like every day. Also gotta find a washroom because, well, no one wants to see any yellow snow, that's for sure. Very alarming. The bathroom I wanted to use is temporarily closed. On the plus side, here's a snow bear. Alright, I decided I'm going to save the Upper West Side for another day. The fact is, just losing daylight so quickly. By the time I get there, I mean, it will almost be dark, so what's the point? So I think I'm going to head home now, get coffee there, maybe get like a snack or a treat along the way. You know, it's still going to be cold. The snow's still going to be on the ground for at least the foreseeable next few days, so I'll just continue this adventure then. In the meantime, I'm just going to enjoy what I did today, which was a really great day. I got some great photos, had a lot of fun, saw some beautiful sights. Just left Central Park, heading towards the subway. I'm on the Upper East Side right now. Great day. I would love to stay and take more photos, but these days go so fast, and I'm super excited about having coffee. I mean, if I could have anything in the world right now, it would be coffee. Hot coffee. And I'm gonna make that come true. Oh, that hits the spot. There's nothing like hot, fresh coffee after coming back from a cold, long day. I also got a chocolate chip cookie from one of the nearby bakeries. There are a million bakeries in Astoria. This looks decent. Really big chips, too. Let's see how it is. It's decent. There is obviously still a lot more to do today, but my time was well spent. I enjoyed every second of my day. Plus, the season 2 finale of The Mandalorian is on tonight. Super excited about that. Hopefully I should have some time tomorrow to do some more New York City winter exploring. The next day I kept it local and went to Astoria Park. Just like the rest of New York, it looked beautiful, covered in snow. Oh, and by the way, The Mandalorian season 2 finale was amazing. 2020 wasn't the best year, but this snowstorm was one of my highlights. It gave me a chance to see the city I love so much in a whole new light. These snow days were wonderful.